Generative design is a design exploration process to quickly generate and evaluate high-performing design alternatives. In Revit 2021.1, 3 new generative design sample studies have been added. The first of these is the grid object placement study, which places elements in a rectangular grid pattern inside a room. In this study, you configure a few variables and their ranges, such as distances between objects in the X and Y directions and the minimum distance from objects to walls. You then specify your design goals, such as the minimum or maximum number of elements to be placed. Next, the randomized object placement study enables you to create a random cluster of elements inside a selected room. This study may be used for generating entourage, such as trees in a park or people in a building lobby. It might also be used for tables in a selected room, as you see here. Finally, the step grid object placement study, a variation on the grid object placement study, may be used to place elements in step alternating grid pattern within a room. Start using generative design in Revit today to quickly evaluate design options and save time with automation.